Jigsaw PST 18Li is part of that Power for All family range of 18 volt lithium ion products where all the tools take the same battery. Because it's got that lithium ion power, that's what makes the difference. The good thing is that you can charge it up at any point during its life cycle. Just stick the battery onto charge, takes 60 minutes to charge it to full, 30 minutes to get 80% of the charge back in the battery, and remember it has that electronic cell protection as well that protects it from any overheating, any overloading or any undervoltage, so it's just perfect. I'm going to show you cutting through a bit of timber or a bit of wood. This particular bit is like a Conti board type thing, so you don't want to splinter it, you don't want to obviously make any notches and marks that you don't want. Right blade, right tool, that's important. For this I've chosen down cutting like a laminate cutting blade because I don't want to splinter it. So I'm just going to pop this blade in here and you can see really nice and easily how it clicks in. Basically you don't need a tool, you don't need a screwdriver anymore to change your blades, to put them in, to take them out. You just click it in and then pull it back up when you want to discharge the blade or get the blade out. I'm making sure that the pendulum action is in the 0 mode, so we haven't got any pendulum action. Why? Because we don't want it ripping through something like this. We want the blade to do the cutting so we don't chip or mark or damage the actual Conti board that we're cutting. If you might be cutting down a kitchen door, wherever it's like a melamine covering, you need to make sure you don't chip it in any way. I start the blade back from the actual board so we don't get a sudden jump as we go in. And there you can see as I pull the trigger, it just does slide through. Once you've pulled the trigger up, you can actually release the lock switch because the trigger will actually stay on. It won't re-engage until you've actually released the switch again. Ergonomically designed, so obviously it feels a lot better in the hand, but it has a counterbalance actually on the jigsaw itself, which reduces the amount of vibration you actually feel back from the jigsaw blade. That's lovely, and then once it's clear of the cut, then we just stop there. Cutting pipe can be a little bit tricky because obviously it's clamping it or clamping it or putting it onto some sort of workpiece to make sure it's stable and it doesn't move. Versatility, ease of use, and this is just another tool that you benefit from in the range.
Bosch, invented for life.